Hey guys, good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So this is our roof we started this morning. It's 128. We started this roof at 705. 35 square roof, full tear off, put back. CertainTeed Landmarks in Moray Black. This is a job where we did the low slope porch roof last year. Got some flint plastic. Cap and base sheet, we kept that. It was a year old. But this is what we did. Everything's torn off. Got a 712 roof on the primary body. CertainTeed shadow ridge, hip and ridge caps. Facing the prevailing wind, which is good. Very nice looking roof. Good attention to detail, pipes painted, nail heads all caulked, white drip edge. And the job is complete. Shingle over vents. Little trash to clean up. Guys are cooking lunch now. And this will be a job well done. Call us if we can help you out with your roofing projects, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.